first feedback. Let's go. This one is for Almighty Bandai. Okay, we have here this human eyes. We gotta notice what is happening here. What the freak is happening here? So, number one, when you're drawing a character, you gotta think of the overall look and then you start going to small detail. Think of the overall and then you go into small parts. Overall, small. So right now, I'm going to think of the, overall. So what I think here, looking like, hey, far away and overall, I would do dark places here. I would do dark places here. There's light here, so shadows are here. The shadows, more shadows here. And not only that, collarbone and behind the face, in the corner of it. Okay, you have a face, bro. And here, corner of the nose, darker area. Here in the middle. Why this darker area, Kips? Why you doing this? Because normally if you just go there in your nose and just put your hand here, you're going to feel like there is a falling down area, this upper area. Here, you're gonna feel that falling down. You're gonna feel it, okay? You're gonna feel it. That area that we are talking. And if the frontal area is darker, you are going to be darker too. Normally, human eyes are not perfect fish format. They're not perfect fish format. No. We dislike fish format. They always have big side, small side. Big side, small side, okay? Normally, this side here is bigger and this area here is smaller. I wanted to do something to this drawing. Just put the eyebrow like going up like the rock, like, huh? Let's keep going. This highlight here, this light gonna be touching even more places, like here. I see there is a strong shadow going this direction and this. But how is the shadow going this way if the meat here always go from like huge volume? The more volume, the more it's going to receive light. So what I would be doing here, changing the lip format. Yeah, gradient. You see what I did here? Gradient. We do gradient. I will not be doing the neck already with the trapezium. I will not be doing this. I would go first neck, and then I will go trapezium, and we would not be seeing shoulders. And about the chest, I believe this is the chest line, the chest not close to the face. Chest is far away because you have all of the neck area happening here. And if you have all of the neck area happening here, wish, do you see this? You gotta complete a V. If you complete a V here, that's the size of your neck. And then here we go with clavicle. Do you see how it's changing the size of the clavicle that I did before? The clavicle, the collarbone, the collarbone, yeah. See that looking closely, they can be looking like, hey, same size, but it's a little bit of 3/4, just a little bit. One side's going to appear more and you're gonna appear less. Now for the lips are going to receive light. The lips must receive light. See, little by little we start focusing on smaller and smaller things. So now, on those lips, hey, you gotta get some brightish thing on this side. Yeah, just get brighter. And the lips is not completely straight line. When you have lips, they are like a bird flying, okay? They are like a bird flying. They have always the middle point and then the wings, okay? So what we gonna do here? We are going to do a bird. Go down, go up, ignore this, dot, up and dot. There's something called when the skin reflects on the skin. I know the name. No. Do you need to know the name? No. You just gotta know that, like, hey, there is light here and here. So that light is also going to reflect here. Do you see? Here. And when it reflects the skin on the skin, it's going to create a much more saturated color. Much more saturated. But not brighter. Much brighter. No. Just much more saturated. So just go here. Do this just a little bit. And ta-da! This type of thing you're going to use. And those eyes, please get some shadows. Please, just get shadows. You need shadows. You can see one eyeball is bigger than the other. I'm going to change that. I'm going to rotate this eye. This eye is going much more upwards. Much more upwards. Rotate it. Okay, here in the corner darker. Here in the corner darker. Should be receiving some reflection. You did some reflection here, I can see it. And here. So let's do the reflection. We gotta always focus on the big picture. I would love to do the eyelashes. I would love to do the eye format perfectly, but right now I'm like, no, I gotta hold myself and focus on what really matters here. As an example, I'm going to use Liquify. Ctrl-Shift-Z. Oh damn, wrong layer. Okay, now what's really messed up here is the chin and mouth size. We gotta fix that. We can see that here too, chin and mouth, but it's something easily fixed. It's not something hard, it's easy to fix. Here there is the cheekbone. That's why there is this format here. And the frontal area that people normally think, hey, I'm going to do this darker. I mean brighter. No, you do that darker. You do that darker. Because the main area receiving light from what I see here is the side. So the side area gonna receive the most light. We are going to rotate our canvas. When you're drawing something, you gotta really change the position that you're looking things. Because if you don't change it, how can you be sure that you're drawing? Look at those eyes! Huh? You gotta be sure that you're drawing right. Okay, now let's go into those eyes. Okay, when you click here on liquid on filter, and then you click here on liquify, and then you can just go and drag and drop. Careful, by the way. The nose is really like thin here. The nose should not be this way. You know what we're going to do? We're going to put this eye right here even more to the corners. Okay, just one last thing. I promise. This is the last thing. This is the last thing. I totally promise. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to show the two colored, changing our brush into color burn. That's the best tool ever. But Gibbs, what does it do? It just makes everything burn. Do you like burning things? I love burning things. We burn things in video games. We like burning things. Do you see this? This is an amazing burn. So you make your opacity lower, and then you just go and burn, and we're gonna let it burn. That's Giga Shad, furry artist draws human for the first time. Title of the video, not clickbait. Yeah, do that. I learned blend modes this way too. Pretty much just trying them out. I should be doing this area so freaking bright. Why I have not... Bro, you're... Yeah, this is what I should be... This, yeah. Is this default airbrush or you added something to it? It's the default airbrush. I'm using the Photoshop brush. Let me show you. You can see here. I just select one of these brushes. As an example, here, this one, they're normal with pen stuff. And the point, I press F5. See? And the only change that I do is activate transfer with pen pressure. Only that, okay? Only. And sometimes I like to change this minimum to like 50 or close to 100 or in the minimum. Those are the only things that I do. Here, making everything smooth, pretty much That's what I'm doing right now, okay? Nothing crazy, only making things smooth, okay? Feedback done!